That car's just hit that other one. GW just got hit by that car. NV53 TKE. Excuse me, does this car belong to anyone who works here? Yeah, because this one's just hit it. Does this car belong to anyone who works here? No, because this car's just gone into the back of it. I was over there, I saw it all. Is that yours? Yeah. You actually hit it. What? You hit it. What do you mean? When you were parking up, you hit that. I was over there, I saw it all sag. As in the suspension shunted forward. You've bumped it. Yeah. Yeah. Why what happened? No, I bumped it. Yeah, there's no damage on it anyway. I didn't really notice. Yeah, but still, you need to get some details and stuff, you know what I mean? For whoever's car it is.
Yeah, it's okay.
He's the owner. Does this car belong to anyone who works here?
No. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, just let him know, alright? Cheers. Alright, 100% guarantee he won't tell over car. I know it.